Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product that you can use to clean your headlights. So on my Mercedes ML, one of my headlights is pretty yellow and hazed up compared to the other side. And the product that I'm going to be using today is by Rain-X, the Headlight Restorer. And we're going to give it a try today and see how it performs, and then I'm going to share with you guys my final results and my final conclusions on what I think about this product. Using this product is pretty simple. All you really got to do is put a good amount over your headlight assembly and then get a microfiber cloth and then in circular motions start scrubbing it. And you want to make sure you're putting a little bit of extra pressure while you're scrubbing, because this is going to make the cleaning a lot more efficient. So I'm going to do this around the assembly, and then once the whole assembly has this whitish fog look to it, that means it's time to wipe it. So then you're going to just flip your microfiber cloth and wipe it all off. And this usually doesn't work the first time, since the haze and the yellowness has been stuck on it for a long while now. So we're going to do the same thing again the second time. And if it doesn't work the second time, we're going to repeat the process. And the more times you do this, the cleaner your headlight is going to come out. So please follow along for the end results. So I've tried doing this over and over again on my headlight, and the end results are still the same as it was when I started. The light is still pretty yellow, it's still hazed up, and if you compare it to the other side, it looks pretty bad. And if you go back and look at the beginning of the video, the light looks completely identical. So I would say this is a no-go, and I would go with something else. I'll have other products that restore headlights listed down below in my description box that do actually work. So if you guys do have a headlight that needs some love, then please check out the links down below in my description box. So I hope this video helped you guys out in some way, and if it did, please hit the like button. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.